Yeah, हमारा जो फिल्म है, it supports a social cause. We're giving out a message in our film about being the change. और I think we're all four actually, Vijender is not here but I'll say it from all four of us. We're very grateful that we've got this opportunity to tie up with PETA for yet again another noble cause. Our film, as you all know, it's Fugly. The F in Fugly is fight ugly. So here we're fighting against, and we're saying that fur is ugly.
Yeah.
So in this case, it's with animals, but yet again, it's being inhuman, as you've seen in the
You guys saw the ad,
yeah.
you know,
the document.
I'm in fact a little taken aback after seeing that. I'd not seen these parts of it, and it's actually fugly, right? Like what you saw right now, and you know, that's why. You know, we all want to go out there and support a good social cause. Please, after this, I'm not touching fur, and I feel everybody should, you know, stop using fur. And
I think the message that we're trying to give through the film is that, like she said, be the change, but take responsibility. You know, if we won't take responsibility and take action, nothing will change. So it's about, you know, like four actually with Vijender, we are standing and saying, fur is ugly. Let's stop using fur. There's artificial fur that looks beautiful, you know.
Yeah.
I mean, that's as good.
You can use the
fashion
artificial
quality,
fur.
artificial fur.
You can still look good, and you don't have to, you know, trouble the poor rabbit. And
Yeah. No, actually, quite honestly, I am not a fan of fur myself, and especially after they showed us the video before we went on to do this campaign, I was. It's a disturbing video. It's very inhuman. The workers who torture these poor animals, it's too cruel to touch. And I live in Bombay. We don't need to wear fur. It's anyway so hot.
Yeah.
And when I travel, I think you get beautiful other materials, you know, for scarves, lovely prints. You don't need. If you
Cotton is
really
very
then for those,
comfortable.
cotton is
This
lovely.
t-shirt
Or
is-
chiffon, you have
Yeah.
a lot of better options. And if you really want, as he said, there's artificial fur. If it's a fashion statement, I don't think you need to go through this torture process.
Sure, being guys, you know, when we were growing up, leather jacket was one of the things you definitely used to carry. Then shoes, that's leather, you know. There was a time when you just can't avoid it because information is not there, the choice is not there. Now I think we are in 2014. There's choice for everything, you know. So if you want to use something like that, use out of choice. I personally would like to avoid using any kind of leather. You know, I don't wear belts anyhow. Shoes is what I'm consciously moving away from. I'm honestly saying it's not that I don't have shoes, but I'm consciously moving away from them. It's a conscious effort. You know, we've done a film over a period of 1 year. We all have grown. You know, we all have doing this film, spreading this message across. We all have become different human beings, and now we'd like to get associated with everything like this and change things. You know.
Actually, now that we are associated with PETA, I'm, you know, whatever little stuff I probably have back in my closet, I'm going to go and get it out or try to slowly move away from it, because come on man, this is not done, right? So we were never educated, we never knew, हमें पता नहीं था कि क्या प्रोसेस से, क्या टॉर्चर से अगर कोई एनिमल गुजरता है उससे का रिजल्ट ये फर है. मैंने तो चलो फर कभी यूज नहीं की, नहीं मेरे को पहनने की जरूरत भी नहीं है, अजीब लगूंगा. पर
It's like growing up days, you know, they're like, oh yeah, the funky leather jacket, you know, the shoes, I want those kind of shoes. You know, you're not really aware, you know.
you have replicas for all the
And
movies.
Now you
you
have.
have replicas for everything.
Come on, you
And if
see
you're
things
making
like
a
this
fashion
which
statement,
happen
I don't-
behind the scenes, you know, like we have behind the scene footage for our Fugly also that you guys can watch and like. But when you see behind the scenes thing, you really don't want to use it. It's like it comes from inside. We couldn't watch the whole video. She couldn't. She was like 2 minutes into the video and she ran away. I couldn't see it for more than 4 minutes of the video, you know.
वी मेड अ गुड फिल्म, हमने एक अच्छी पिक्चर बनाई है. हम चाहते हैं कि जितने ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग जाके ये पिक्चर देख सकें उतना अच्छा है, क्योंकि हमने एक बहुत एंटरटेनिंग वे में, एक बहुत फन वे में हमने मैसेज भी अक्रॉस किया है. एंड वी नॉट ट्राई टू प्रीच पीपल, में बोर भी नहीं किया पर मैसेज भी दे दिया. और यू नो इसमें थ्रिल भी है, हर 15 मिनट के बाद एक ट्विस्ट एंड टर्न है. तो आई थिंक वी मेड अ गुड फिल्म. इट विल कीप यू ऑन योर सीट्स और साथ में एक मैसेज भी देगी. तो
हम ये कहना चाहते हैं that don't make a change, be the change. इसमें एक बहुत, there's a very fine line between it, and when you watch the film on June 13th, you'll know what we're trying to say. Basically, we stand up for responsibilities. हम ऐसे नहीं है कि 4 बंदे उठ के एक दिन सोच लिया कि चलो आज हम दुनिया बदल देंगे, ऐसा होता नहीं है. But in our lives, in the film, we meet with this cop Jimmy Shergill, who's played by Jimmy Shergill, and he takes us into a world of politics, corruption, जो भी issues हो रही लड़कियां के साथ. We are reading the news, we know what's happening.
Fugly issues.
All the fugly issues, and because it becomes so personal that we have we have no alternative but to start sitting up, deciding what to do, question our own morals and values, and stand up and take responsibility.
एक्चुअली ये जो कैरेक्टर मैं प्ले कर रहा हूँ देव का, इट्स अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग पार्ट. और यूजुअली मुझे लगता है कि न्यू कमर्स को पहली पिक्चर में इतना इंटरेस्टिंग पार्ट मिलता नहीं है इन टर्म्स ऑफ, क्योंकि इसमें देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ स्कोप ऑफ परफॉर्मेंस के जब मैंने स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ी एंड मैंने सॉ द कैरेक्टर ऑफ देव, आई इट एक्साइटेड मी अलॉट, क्योंकि मुझसे बहुत अलग था, बहुत हटके था ये कैरेक्टर, और आई फील मैं बहुत स्पॉन्टेनियस आदमी हूँ और बहुत मुझे कंट्रोल करना पड़ता है। मैं जैसे भी बात करने को बोलोगे तो मैं यहाँ पे लगा रहूँगा 1-2 घंटा। तो बट ये कैरेक्टर जो देव का था, साइलेंसेस आर स्ट्रॉन्ग, ये ज्यादा बात नहीं करता, बट इसकी डिसीजन मेकिंग बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है, अपने दोस्तों को बांध के रखता है, और ही इज द माइंड बिहाइंड द फंक्शनिंग ऑफ द 4 फ्रेंड्स। तो इट वाज अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग पार्ट, एंड ऐसे कैरेक्टर्स बस मिलते रहे हमको करियर में करने को, तो आपकी एज एन एक्टर भी ग्रोथ होती रहेगी और आपका पेड़ भी भरता रहेगा कि चलो एक ये भी हो गया, अब एक ये भी हो गया। So
I'll add to that. I think हर न्यूकमर की यही सपना होता है कि for your first film we want a big banner so that you can reach out to as many people, as you said 100 Crore Club or all of that. I think we've got that by Akshay Kumar supporting us and giving us this platform. At the same time, like he said, we're all for getting to play roles which not many newcomers get in their first film. दूसरी या तीसरी फिल्म में फिर आपको मौका मिलता है कि now you can prove your mettle.
Yeah.
But we've got that in our first film, so this is the dream role if you ask me, that you're getting the best of both. And in your first film to prove yourself, what more can you ask?